What's the meaning of cronyism? Cronyism. Cronyism.
Cronyism. Cronyism. Cronyism refers to the practice of favoring one's close friends or associates, especially in political appointments or business deals. It often results in a lack of merit-based advancement, as those who are qualified may be overlooked in favor of those with personal connections. Cronyism can also create a sense of distrust among the public, as it can lead to a perception of corruption or unfairness. Ultimately, cronyism can damage organizations and institutions by weakening their ability to function objectively and efficiently.